fed up with no indictments.
Well, yeah, but it's not over. I still think there are going to be some indictments. What you're really mad about is there haven't been any yet.
Yes.
And you're asking what good are they going to be after the election?
Well, that too, but not only that, just why haven't any of them been indicted at all?
Because the investigation isn't complete. Look, I know what you're thinking. The Democrats never get indicted. They always get away with all this because they run the swamp.
Yeah.
At the end of the day. And so you think you're upset because you think you've been sold a bill of goods again. You've been promised this or assured, led to believe that this time these people are going to pay the price and they're not. And you're just fed up. You're fed up of being led down this primrose path that never has any payoff to it.
Right. That's exactly right.
I understand it. I feel the same way in a lot of ways. But I do know that the Attorney General has been very honest from the very first day. He had acknowledged that he thought the Trump campaign's been spied on. He then appoints Durham, and I know that they've been doing an investigation. I know they've been turning up some very serious stuff like this stuff we learned today. The thing about this stuff, it's actually been known for 2 years, and we're only finding out about it yesterday and last night.
Right. Thank God for Bill Barr. I'll say that.
Yeah. Look, I understand you're frustrated. What did you say about they put Biden behind, Bannon behind bars? What was he?
Yeah, how quick he was, and he got back out, but how quick they went after him, and how fast they had him under a whole bunch of them.
Well, it wouldn't be members of Congress. It would be these FBI people. It would be the people that lied to the FISA court. It would be the people that ran Crossfire Hurricane. The names would be McCabe, Stroke Smirk, Lisa Page. There's a Jim Baker. There's a number. You might even put Brennan and Clapper in there. But just have to be patient. I think it's going to happen sometime.
I'm Phoebe Wells, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here's